Well, another hot day across the region, plenty humid as well, and we did have some storms that impacted some locations. There weren't many, but the ones that did develop did pack a punch. It was a lot different here at the top of the 5 o'clock hour when we couldn't even see out from our Charlottesville camera with the rain pouring down. Anywhere from half an inch to well over an inch and a half of rain here in the city. Things right now are a lot quieter, but we still have some activity through Rockingham, Augusta County, some heavier downpours here. Nothing severe, but there were some severe storms earlier. But we'll take a little tour now, and you can see some of the activity west of Route 42 and then up toward north of Harrisonburg. Now, the flash flood warning that was in effect for western Nelson County has been canceled, but this is the Doppler radar estimates of some of the rain that fell at Wintergreen, Beech Grove, that Massey Mill area, and the Tyro, and you can see many locations 2-3+ inches of rainfall, and we could still have some high water, so be mindful of that. We had some trees down southwest of the city of Charlottesville this afternoon, also some trees down at Wintergreen, some trees down in Timberville from storms that did briefly pulse to severe levels this afternoon with the heat and the humidity. A lot of that kind of fired off or near the terrain, the higher terrain of the mountains. Things will be a lot quieter tonight. Most of this activity is kind of waning now as we head through the sunset hour and beyond. We have a front essentially well to our north. And of course, we have Tropical Storm Elsa well to the south. At the airport, currently 86, made it up to 93 this afternoon before the storms developed. In the Shenandoah Valley, currently 75 there in Weeders Cave at the airport. And again, some heavier storms rolled through Stanton and central Augusta County. 85 currently in Madison, 86 in Palmyra, still 90 there in Dillon, and 81 currently in Waynesboro. Most of us tonight, similar to where we've been the last couple of mornings, upper 60s, lower 70s. It'll remain muggy. Tomorrow, more clouds build in, and temperatures may backtrack during the afternoon. Low 80s for many, but it looks like our better chance of rain will be late morning into the afternoon. It's not going to rain all day. There'll be periods of showers rolling through, maybe a thunder shower, and the heaviest activity still looks to remain south and east of our region. That's where the flash flood watches are posted basically near and east of I-95. And then as you get closer toward the coast, we have tropical storm watches up in association with Elsa, which will be a depression at that time. The American GFS model paints about a half an inch around our region of central Virginia and western Virginia. A lot more as you go toward Richmond and the Tidewater area. The European model is a little bit more robust. This blue shaded area representing anywhere from half an inch to maybe over an inch of rainfall. So we'll see. But here's Elsa. Elsa made landfall in the Big Bend area of Florida this morning, and now it's about 100 miles west-southwest of Brunswick, Georgia. Still some very heavy rain. You see the tornado watch box on the eastern flanking slope of that center of circulation, headed up toward the low country of South Carolina, Savannah, Charleston, and then up into the Piedmont of North Carolina as we head into tomorrow afternoon, kind of passing over Raleigh, and then basically south and east of Richmond, and then off the Delmarva Peninsula, maybe making another landfall near Boston or the Cape Cod area, and then headed up toward Atlantic Canada. Again, we have a front that's coming down from the north. We have Elsa's moisture to the south, and it's kind of a squeeze play, if you will, as we go into the next day and a half. So here we are tonight into tomorrow morning. Again, clouds build in. Look what happens by mid to late morning. Here comes the rain, and you can see those heavier rain bands off to our east. So periods of rain tomorrow, but it's not going to rain all day. Otherwise, that system is out of here by early Friday. Friday, a weak front will come through. It may spark a stray shower, thunder shower during the afternoon. Friday's highs 85 to near 90. So storms are kind of fading off tonight. Warm and muggy conditions, temperatures either side of 70. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Temperatures back down tomorrow, remaining still plenty humid, and we could have some downpours tomorrow, but I don't think we're going to see a whole lot of rain in association with Elsa. As we move into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, Casey, temperatures in the upper 80s to around 90. There will be a few more thunderstorm opportunities during the afternoon, especially Sunday and early next week.
All right, sounds great.